Among the savannas and tall grasses of the South American pampas, incredibly long legs and reddish fur with a black mane on the back. Of the neck peek out. This is a maned wolf, although at first glance it looks more like a mix of deer and fox. Have you ever seen a wolf as tall as a small deer and with slender legs like a chamois? Then meet the maned wolf, an amazing inhabitant of the South American plains. Although its name hints at a wolf relationship, this predator stands on a separate branch of evolution. Its manner of movement is almost aristocratic, and its food preferences may surprise you. What makes it unique, and why do the people of Brazil, Bolivia, and Paraguay sometimes call it Aguará Guazú, big red dog? Find out in today's episode. Rumor has it that the maned wolf likes fruit. Can a large dog be such a gourmet? You will hear the answer very soon. For a long time, local peoples and settlers have had legends about a red wolf on stilts with magical properties. In some areas, it was considered the patron spirit of the fields because it supposedly destroys mouse-like rodents, protecting crops. At the same time, some people said that his howling foretold a bad harvest or, on the contrary, drove away evil spirits. The first European travelers were struck by its appearance. They described a tall fox moving with an almost elevated gait among the tall grass. In Latin American folklore, the maned wolf sometimes acts as a symbol of a lonely traveler who does not join either a pack of wolves or wild dogs, as this species lives mostly alone or in pairs. The maned wolf, Chrysocyon brachyurus, is the largest canine in South America. Its height at the shoulders can reach 75-90 centimeters, 2.53 ft, and its body length ranges from 100 to 130 centimeters, 3.3 to 4.3 ft, not including the tail. Adults weigh about 20-30 kilos, 44-66 lb. A characteristic feature is long legs and red fur with a black mane on the withers and black stockings on the legs. The fur on the back of the neck can stand up when the animal feels threatened, increasing its visual size. A particularly interesting fact is that this is not a real wolf, fox, or coyote. Scientists recognize the maned wolf as a separate branch of evolution that split off from other canines millions of years ago. Maned wolves usually lead a solitary lifestyle, although a female and a male can occupy a common territory of 20 to 30 km², 8 to 12 sqmi, meeting mainly during the breeding season. It can be said that they follow the law of independence. Each of the pair hunts and lives independently, but at the same time they mark their common area with scents. Hunting takes place mainly at night or at dawn. The maned wolf moves very quietly and slowly so as not to reveal itself in the tall grass, and then jumps sharply, blocking the victim with its long front paws. As for the diet, these wolves are omnivores. The menu includes small rodents, birds, lizards, eggs, and a lot of plant foods. One of the favorite foods is the fruit Loxia domato, or wolf fruit, Solanum lycocarpum, which provides the animal with vitamins and probably helps to remove parasites from the digestive tract. This fruit diet distinguishes the maned wolf from most other large canids. In the event of danger, they can emit a loud growl or bark that resembles a mixture of howls and cat-like growls. If a competitor or a human appears in the territory, the wolf may raise its mane to make itself look bigger. However, usually maned wolves avoid direct conflict, and if they encounter a threat, they prefer to run away. The structure of the skeleton is unique with extremely long legs. Imagine a wolf on stilts. This body shape allows them to see their prey well in the tall grass of the pampas and move over rough terrain. Their ears are large and sharp, allowing them to pick up the sounds of small rodents. The muzzle is quite elongated and the teeth are not as strong as those of gray wolves. This is due to omnivorousness, where there is no need to tear very large prey. The fur is soft, with a thick undercoat to withstand temperature fluctuations from a hot day to a cool night. Scent glands in the tail and genitals emit odors that help animals mark their territory. In principle, the maned wolf does not pose a direct threat to humans. It is too light and afraid of direct contact. If chased or cornered, the animal can defend itself with its sharp teeth, but these are exceptional situations. The main conflicts arise when the wolf approaches agricultural land, hunting small chickens or ducks. Farmers may shoot the animal, considering it harmful. Also, in some regions of South America, a part of the population is unjustly afraid of it, confusing it with a man-eating wolf, which spreads the idea that all canines are dangerous. In reality, the largest victims of maned wolves are rodents, such as rats or mice, sometimes small birds or reptiles. Brazilian researchers who studied salt marshes, places where wolves often come to collect minerals, often recorded unique moments. When several young individuals gathered at the site at the same time, they even made friends while feeding on plant foods and fruits without showing aggression. One scientist told how he observed the ritual of catback arching when two maned wolves met and seemed to sniff the air around them, raising their fur on their withers. It looks like a cautious hello. Another funny episode. In the middle of the night, a wolf approached the researchers' camp and stole a bag of dry pasta, apparently out of curiosity or because of the attractive smell. The maned wolf balances between the role of a small predator and a distributor of plant seeds. By eating fruit, it spreads the seeds over long distances, contributing to the restoration and growth of vegetation in the pampas and Cerrado, Brazilian savanna. At the same time, by killing rodents and insects, the wolf controls their number. However, human activity, plowing land, expanding pastures, creating roads, is reducing the area sporadically. Sometimes there are collisions with cars on the roads that cross the wolves' natural migration corridors. Although the maned wolf is officially protected by the laws of a number of South American countries, its status remains near threatened according to the IUCN classification. To preserve these unusual dogs, conservationists propose to create corridors with protected wildlife areas where the animals can roam safely. The maned wolf is living proof of how diverse and unpredictable the canine family can be. Its elongated legs, red mane, and ability to eat fruit make it a unique participant of the South American nature. Unfortunately, human activities often interfere with this lonely traveler. Would you like to see him in the wild, tracking his footsteps in the savannah at dawn? Tell us in the comments what you think about this deer dog, and subscribe to not miss new stories about the incredible world of wild animals.